second part I have done for you people. The remaining I ask you to do by your own. Similarly, question number 2, evaluate these parts. These are very small, and from the examination point of view, this exercise is very important exercise, as earlier I discussed with you. So question number 2 is already done. So today I am going to start from question number 3, 4 and 5. 3 I will do, 4 depends on you. If you would say, then definitely I will do, and 5 definitely I will do for you people. So let me write the question once again. It's exercise 2.2, exercise 2.2, page number, you are familiar, this page number is 25, page number 25. And question number 3 is there. It's prove that. Prove that. What is to prove? X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x plus omega y, then into 1 into x plus omega square y. Let's recheck the question once again. It is very important thing which I'm saying. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x plus omega y into x plus omega square y. Dear students, as this is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. This is our left hand side. When there is proof, you need to take one side, whether you can take left hand side or right hand side. It depends what is convenient for the student, for the one who do the sum. Okay, so for me it is convenient to take the right hand side. What is the reason behind? The reason is behind is this, that we can easily put the values of omega and then we can solve. But before I solve this exercise, I will just take you back to discuss some formulas. Since we have discussed some formulas, those were 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Now let me take this value. Let me take this value here and we'll shift this value to the other side, so to get another formula. 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. This is one formula, as earlier I have discussed with you. Similarly, once again, now this time what we will do, we will take another value, like we will take this value 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square, we will keep this value on left hand side. We'll take this value to other side. This will become 1 minus omega, So two formulas we got. And similarly, my dear student, one formula I'm giving with you, that if we keep 1 plus, if we keep this value like omega plus omega square, then if we take this value, then we'll get minus 1. So these are some formulas which I have discussed with you. Now let me write the value once again. Right hand side, we'll write right hand side. Keep your mind here on the board so that you may understand. X plus y we will write as it is, and into x plus omega y, similarly x plus omega square y will write. Remember, if you could remember the formula we have done, if you could remember, my dear student, this formula you have already done in class 9th, chapter number 4. If you could remember, this formula you have done is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. First term, as you are familiar, this is our first term, this is our second term. First term cube plus second term cube. If we expand it, we will get a plus b. Then first term square, if it is plus here, then we'll write minus a into b, mean first into second term plus second term square. This formula, if you remember, we have done in class 9, chapter number 4. Now, the same formula, we will expand it according to this one. Okay. So let me write this. We will write this value as it is. X plus y we will write as it is. But here what we will do, we will multiply first term with this whole value, and then similarly second term with this whole value. Later we will multiply this one. So let me multiply x into x. So by multiplying x into x, we will get x square. So let me use the another parenthesis. This is not actually a square bracket. X into x square, plus then we will multiply this value with this term. This will become xy. We can write xy and omega square. Hope you are getting it. X into y. That is why I'm writing xy first and then omega later. Then afterward, my dear student, this x we have multiplied with both the terms. Now we'll multiply the second term with both these terms. Y mega y into x will get plus. First thing is plus is there, so we'll write it like this: x into xy, xy, then omega is there. Similarly, now we'll multiply mega y into mega square y. We'll multiply like this way: y into y, I can write it y square, then omega into mega square will become omega cube. So this is about this. Now x plus y we will write as it is. Here what we will do, x square we will write as it is. Now from here, my dear student, we can take common. We can take common here. Why we can take common? What is the reason? You can see that xy and xy are lying in both the terms. So we can take xy as common. So we'll write it like this: xy, and then what are the uncommon values are omega square plus omega, then plus y square into this is omega cube. Dear student, some other values I'm writing for you people. As you are already familiar, by mega cube is equal to 1. Why? In the last lecture on 13th, I have given you that I have proved this value, and even on page number 24, again the proof is there. Part number D. I have proved this value, if you could remember in the previous lecture. So I will put the value here for x plus y, will write as it is. Then x square plus xy, for x square, for this value x plus y, omega square plus omega, here you can find omega, will write here minus 1. So minus 1 we can write here, plus then y square will write as it is, and y cube, omega cube is already given, it is equal to 1. So that is why we are writing here. Now x plus y we will write as it is. Again we can write it like this: x square plus this plus minus will multiply with each other, plus will multiply with minus, will get plus minus minus, and xy. Now plus 1, plus we will write as it is. This plus y square will multiply with this, will get the same value, y square. Now if you conclude this formula, you will get x cube plus y cube, which is equal to right hand side. Hope you got it. If there is any query, please ask. I am turning to your side. If it is clear, let me know that your reaction, I could come to know. Please, and if there is any query, I got the reaction from 2 students. I will not name 3 students. I got the reaction, and right, my dear. Now I'm shifting. If there is any query, you may ask. Otherwise, I'm shifting to the other question. Right, my dear. Okay. Let me move to, I'm going to raise this part. You can get it from the, as soon as we will upload it, then you can get it. Now question number 4. Once again, I'm sharing my book with you people, dear student. Look at my book. It's question number 4. Prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to. If you could remember again this formula, if you could remember, we have done in class 9. Chapter number 4, I do remember chapter number 4. If we'll expand this formula, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will get x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z square. Hope you could remember. Now let me know, I should do this one for you people or not. let me know immediately. Immediately tell me, let me know. I should do this for you. Okay, no reaction from your side. So I'm doing myself for you
Sir,
people.
we will do this.
Hope. I hope so. I hope so. Let me know the reaction of other student. Other student, please better tell me. Otherwise, I will do for you people. If only one student is taking responsibility, then I will not go for the one student. I need to do. I need to know the majority are taking the responsibility. Yes, my dear. Okay. Others are not saying. So let me solve this question for you people. This is again prove that what to prove, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x plus omega y plus omega square z, and then x plus omega square y plus omega z. This is for you people, student. Now I'm solving. I will again, here we have left hand side and there we have right hand side. What is convenient for me, for you as well, we'll take right hand side. Right hand side, we'll take right hand side. This is convenient for us. So x plus omega y plus omega squared z, and x plus y plus z is there, and into x plus omega square y plus omega z. This will take a little more time, so please keep your concentration here. We'll write this value as it is, x plus y plus z, then we'll multiply each term with the whole value, each term with the whole value, each term with this value. So by multiplying, what we will get here, x into x, we will get x square. Keep your concentration here, x into y, x into omega square y. So first I will write xy, and then I can write xy, then I can write omega. Omega I will write later. Then x into y, omega z plus xz, xz omega. Then this value now x is finished. We have multiplied. Once again, we will recheck for our convenient. X into x, x square. X into y, xy, then omega square. X into z, xz, then omega is there. Now we will multiply. I will just change the color just for convenient for you people. Now y, mega y into this value, I will multiply with this now. Omega into this, we will get x, x into xy, xy into omega. Then similarly plus omega y into omega, we will get y square and omega cube. Then last we will multiply last term with last term, yz, and omega into omega will get omega square. Then similarly for the last term, I'm changing the color. This will multiply x into this one, we will get plus x z omega square. Similarly with this value, we'll get plus yz and omega 4. Then for the last, I will multiply omega into z square, will get z square into omega into this, will get omega cube. Hope you got it, my dear student. This will take little long. Right, my dear. Now we need to take the values accordingly. If you could remember, as I discussed with you, this formula, I'm just for your convenient writing this. If we'll expand this formula, we will get x plus y plus z, as I told you verbally, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx or xz. We can write it xz or zx, or right. My dear students, similarly, I will choose the first square values. So square values is x square, then I have this one, y square, and then z square. So I'll take these values and let me write these values like this, x square, then plus y square, as I marked all these values, y cube, omega cube, then plus z square and omega cube. Then I will take x and y values. For your convenient, I'm changing the sign just for your convenient. This is now YZ. XZ I will take. XZ. So XZ values we have uh, X and Y values. Let me find the values are here. XY. XY values is here and similarly XY values is here. Two values I will get from here. Plus XY omega square plus XY omega. Then similarly, now I will take the other values. Other values we have YZ, Y and Z. Y, this is YZ, we have this value, YZ we have, and similarly YZ we have this value. So I will take YZ omega square, then plus YZ omega 4. And in the end, I will take the remaining values. The remaining values you are familiar. What are the remaining values are here? This one and this one I have. So I will take XZ and into omega and plus YZ xz omega plus y xz, and this one let me write it once again, xz omega then plus xz omega square. I have this value. So x plus y will write as it is this value, and then x square plus y square. If you could remember in the last question I told you mega cube is equal to what? It is equal to 1. Similarly, again we'll write mega cube is equal to 1. Again we are writing this one. Now for this value, I'll take common. Let me mark it for you people. I'll take common here. What is common? XY is common. So can write it mega square plus omega are uncommon value. Similarly, from here we can take common. YZ we have common and omega square plus omega 4 can write here. Similarly, XZ we can take common. XZ we can take common and omega plus omega square. We can write it like this. Now, dear student, we can write x plus y plus z, then x square, y square into 1 will get plus y square. Similarly, z square into 1 will get z square plus xy we can write it like this. Omega square plus omega, as you know that it is equal to -1. So we'll write -1. Similarly, yz, if you could remember this, we can write omega plus, we can expand it. How we can expand it? Omega cube into omega. Hope you got it. And similarly, xz, omega plus omega square, we can write it -1 as earlier we have done. Now, dear student, x plus y plus z, we have the same value. Here we can write x square plus y square as it is. We cannot apply anything here, but here we can do something. What we can do? Plus minus minus, and xy ones are minus xy. Similarly, plus yz into omega square plus omega cube is equal to 1. It is equal to plus 1. It is equal to plus 1 into omega plus this plus will multiply by this one, will get what? Will again we will get the same value minus xz. Hope you are getting it. My dear student, x plus y plus z and x square, we are now slowly moving towards the formula side. Z square minus xy plus yz we can write here. Now omega is multiplying by 1, we'll get omega square plus omega into 1 will get omega minus xz. As you know that we have already done, this will write as it is, omega x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus this will get yz into this value will get -1 plus x minus xz will get the value. So instead of writing this one, I can use the same square bracket as we need it so far. X plus y plus z and x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus minus 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 yz and minus zx, xz or zx. This is equal to, and if we expand it, I'm writing the remaining part here. If we conclude this one, instead of expanding, if we concluded this one, we'll get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is our left hand side. Hope you got it. Hope you got it, my dear student. Hope you got it. Now let me know your reaction so that I should come to know. This is, you can get it from the, as soon as the teacher will upload this one. Okay. Right, my dear Razun, I got the reaction from your side. Other two students, I got the reaction. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Now let me move to the, once again, to the exercise. The exercise which I was sharing with you, my dear student. This is, uh, the last question is there. Prove that, prove that, prove that 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega 4, 1 plus omega 8 into till 2n factors is equal to 1. Sir Rafaqat, I need some time, though I have some, my few minutes are remaining. I need your little time so that I would finish this exercise. This is the last question. Hope you will cooperate with me. Thank you and God bless you. Let me raise this one. Question number 5, my dear student. Prove that. Prove that, what to prove? 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega 4 and 1 plus omega 8 till 2n factors is equal to 1. Again, my dear student, look carefully. This is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Now here, if you will look carefully, here we have 1 only. So we cannot take 1 as to apply the formula and we can use it. In this way, we will definitely will go for to do the wrong question. So what we'll take, for easy, we'll take the left hand side. So this time we are taking left hand side, my dear student. 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega tetra, 1 plus omega octagon, and then so on. Instead of saying this one, better to say, it's better to say, my dear student, 2 square. Now there is a series. What I can see from here, it's a series of the question. Here it is, par is 1, par is 2, par is 4. If you will look carefully, the par is increasing 2 times. Like 1 plus 1, 2, 2, 2 times 4, 4, 2 times 8, 8 2 times. It could be like this. 16 भी हो सकता है. Then मतलब इसके बाद 16 आएगा. Then you will get 32 here. Then you get omega 64 here. But we will not solve accordingly. We will not solve according to this one. But remember, it could be like this. ये ऐसा ही होगा. ठीक है? And 2n factors mean, it means up to infinite level. ये बहुत ज्यादा हैं. But we need to solve it in such a way कि हमारे पास 1 आना चाहिए. ठीक है? So as I told you, this is in the series. So omega, omega square, omega 4, omega 8, omega 16, omega 32, omega 64, up to 2n factors mean up to n factors. N factors या infinite factors उन्होंने दे दिया हमें. ठीक है? Now we'll apply the formula to make it 1. So what we will do, my dear student, what we will do here, we will multiply in this way. We'll multiply, you as you are already familiar. You are already familiar. 1 plus omega square is equal to 1 is equal to what? If we'll keep this value, 1 plus omega, if we'll take this value, this will equal to minus omega square. So we'll write here, we can write here it like this. 1 plus omega, instead of writing this one, I can write it like this. Minus omega square, and similarly minus omega. If you could remember, if we'll take this value to other side, then this will become 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega. So that is why I'm writing this one. And here we can expand it. Here 1 plus omega cube into omega, and 1 plus omega 6 into omega square. Hope it is clear, my dear student. You are not in any confusion. Like I have expanded this x8, omega 8 into omega 6 and omega square. Similarly, I have expanded 4 into this one, omega cube into this one. So that is why into is written there. So can write it like this. Now what would happen? We can multiply this minus will get plus. I can write it just for your convenience, then I will erase it so that it would be easy to you may understand it. Now by multiplying this value, omega into this one will get omega cube. Now dear student, after we'll write it 1 plus omega cube, you are familiar, it is equal to 1, omega cube is equal to 1. So we can write here 1 into omega. Similarly, 1 plus, instead of writing this one, we can write it omega since omega cube into square. Hope you are getting it. Omega cube square. But after expanding, we will get the same 6 into omega square, and we'll get the 2n factors. Now, dear student, omega cube, you are already familiar. Here we have done omega cube. So we'll write here 1 into 1 plus, this one will multiply here into will become omega into 1 plus, I will put the value here 1 and square will remain as it is into omega square, and this is 2n factors equal to 2n factors. Then my dear student, 1, you are already familiar what to put here, what to write here, dear student. 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square, right here. And similarly 1 plus square of this one you will get 1, and after multiplying will get omega square into 2n factors. We are doing this way. Now let 1 here and minus omega square for this value, let it right here. 1 plus omega cube, you are familiar, 1 plus omega square will, it is equal to minus omega, then 2n factors. Right, my dear student, 1. Now this minus and this minus will multiply with each other, will get what we will get plus, and omega square into omega will get omega cube, then up to 2n factors. Dear student, as you are familiar, omega cube is equal to 1. So again we can write 2n factors, and by the end we can write it, we can multiply this value, omega into 1 will get 1, and this is equal to our right hand side. And if we multiply, suppose you are saying, sir, if we apply 16, 32, this is not given, but suppose if you will do like this way, omega 16, omega 32, 64, again you will get 1. Ultimately you will get, my dear student, 1. So this is equal to right hand side, and 2n factors mean raised to the power n, which is equal to, it means जब power ही 1 आ जाती है, when power is 1 and factor भी कर दें तो it is equal to 1. So this is still, here is our answer is there. Let me know your reaction, please. If you got it, let me know. This will remain with you. You can get it over there. Right, my dear student, this is all. Sir Rafaqat, thank